Good morning everyone and happy Vlogmas day 13.
Powder sugar in the snow, candy cane and mistletoe. Can I please get an espresso?
DIY breakfast. So we're gonna make an aesthetic little breakfast sandwich because they don't have that on semester at C. So if you ever come on a voyage and you want to know, this is how you do it. I've got 2 English muffins and I just put jelly on them, over easy egg, and then 2 sausages. I can. Okay, you're gonna want to crack the yolk, and then while it's open you're gonna put some pepper, a little bit of salt. Then you're gonna take sausage or bacon and cut it into thin pieces. All right, throw in a slice of brie if you're feeling crazy. So good. You guys, we arrive in Vietnam today. But it's weird because usually we arrive at 8 a.m. and instead today we're arriving at 6 p.m. So that means today is a whole study day. Yesterday was my last global studies class and health and wellness, which you guys saw. I cannot believe how fast time is flying by. I made like a sticky note thing of how many days are left on the voyage. I can put them on 2 hands. That's how little days there are left. This morning was a really productive and wholesome one. I put together this new concoction for breakfast. It was like a breakfast sandwich with sausage over easy egg, obviously jelly because I love jelly. I put my friend Kylie on it and Brennan and they loved it, so I'd say it was a success. And then my sister called me and she and I talked for like 2 hours just catching up on everything life, and I'm gonna see her pretty soon when I go back to Texas for Christmas. I'm so excited to be home with my family, with her, and of course my dogs. So overall, really good morning. I just got my laundry back. Jessie, my stewardess, dropped it off, and so I'm gonna hang up all those clothes, put it away and whatnot, and then I want to go to the gym and then get the day rolling, do some reading, study guides for my final exams that I'm going to be taking after Vietnam. Let's get the day started. This one is, oh, this one's Kate's bag, and then here's mine. I like to do a mix of doing the laundry service that they have here and then also hand washing it in the sink. Usually underwears and socks I'll do in the sink because I don't know, I'm like weird about that. And then if there are clothes that I think are gonna transfer dye over, I'll usually just hand wash it myself. But I really do like the laundry service. It's $8 each time you do it. And I think I've done it like 4 times the entire voyage, so. Also, there's an option to have your clothes pressed. I think Kate actually got a pair of shorts pressed. But it does cost extra, like $2 for each item that you wanna have pressed. Okay, let's put it in the closet. Yeah, this is yours.
I'm saying, tell you right from wrong.
Before I do cardio, I'm gonna do a quick ab workout on my towel that I brought from home. It's really hot now that we're in Asia. It's like summertime there. Working out on the deck does not happen quite as much. So I'm gonna do an ab workout right here. Let's go grab my towel. so good. Favorite app to work out to? Tabata. Alright, starting off, 1 minute plank.
Exercise.
Like you, 'cause you the bigger type. That's okay. When I pull up to.
My little dessert for after lunch is an apple with almond butter.
So basically, Noodle is a stuffed animal that Rick got for me.
This is Rick.
That's Rick. Noodle is a stuffed animal that Rick got for me, and they were throwing him around last
Like
night.
playing with him.
Like hard, throwing him around against the walls and everything. Yeah, it's Noodle. Anyways, they were like throwing him against like the wall. They were trying to aim at each other, but they weren't succeeding. And then I pick him up after me telling them to like stop over and over again. And there's a rip in it.
A rip.
A tear in the seams.
Lunch was actually so good today. Also, I feel like you can never go wrong with an apple and almond butter. That's one of my favorite snacks. Either that or substitute the apple for a rice cake. I'm gonna hop in the shower because I feel really gross and sweaty. And then let's put on some makeup and get ready for the day. This is my favorite moisturizer. I'm so glad that I ended up bringing a tub of this. And I can't believe I'd never used it before. I just spontaneously grabbed it at Target right before I left. Also, I just shaved my legs. There's no better feeling than putting on lotion after you've just shaved your legs. It's like butter smooth right now.
Guys, we're in Vietnam. We just arrived in Ho Chi Minh City. And we're about to go to dinner with Amanda's parents.
We're so excited to see them.
There's Birdie. He's running away.
I don't know.
Thank you.
We don't know them either.
Yeah, like, I'm excited to see it.
We're so excited
Okay,
to
that's
see
true.
Jackie and
No,
Tom.
that's true. Okay.
Oh, why do you know that?
Yeah.
I forgot.
haven't
Oh,
seen
so
them in 10
she's
years.
excited to see it. I'm excited to meet them. Can we get that? Meet.
Okay,
That's the
anyways,
exact word.
enough of that. We have to scan out.
An EET, not E holding. You're like, well. We're at Bomb.
We're at Bomb Kitchen.
25. It's kind of tough to figure out how
It's about to be bombed.
I'm tired. Ready to go back to the boat.
I'm gonna sleep so good tonight. I'm so excited. What is going on? What? We're in a restaurant. What are we doing?
Crackling wood all season, decorating alone this Christmas one.